This is the generic sock iPhone holder or smartphone holder. It's by a brand called Generic, but of course it's basically fashioned after Issey Miyake, a Japanese designer. Very trendy here in Japan where I live. And yeah, basically a strip of fabric that's got a slit in the middle, and what you do is you take your phone and you chuck it into this larger section here. And you can use it as a carry-on crossbody, or if you've got a wide girth like me, you can even just put this around your waist. You can carry it on your shoulder, or you can attach it in a loop to other bags. Or what I use this for actually in the wintertime is just to tie it around my neck when I go for walks. And I like this very much because there's no metal anywhere. It's very lightweight and great for exercise. Now in the summertime, probably not, because this is quite thick, and around your neck that would probably be a little bit constrictive, but I am loving it for going on walks in the winter or cold, cooler weather with this thing around my neck. And if it's tight around your neck, you can just put it like this, where it's in the middle of the phone, and I find that it's a looser fit, and it because the phone is heavy, it sticks there quite well. And then you can just push it up if you need access to your phone and access your details that way. So I'm very pleased with this. The one thing I would say that's not good for me is that I am a large person, so crossbody, this is not flattering. Not so good in the summertime when it's hot. And also I think it's a little bit pricey for what it is, but you know, everything is these days. I have no regrets for this.